Today, I'm going to teach you how to convert decimal numbers into fractions. I'm going to convert this 0.2 into a fraction. So, when I write 0.2, can you see that 0.2 is in the numerator? So, when there is a number in the numerator, you know that in the denominator we always have 1. Now, if I am to convert it into a fraction, what needs to happen is I need to get rid of this decimal place. So that is what I am going to observe here. If I am able to take this decimal place here, this number becomes 2, isn't it? That means we can get rid of this decimal place. Now to get this decimal place up to here, what you have to do? You just have to multiply it by 10. So if I multiply this by 10, what happens is this decimal place moves towards right hand side by 1 place. So I have another question for you. If I want to move it up to 2 decimal places, yes, you need to multiply it by 100, right? And one more thing, since I have multiplied my numerator by 10, you know that I have to do the same thing to my denominator, yes. So I am going to multiply this also by 10. So what I actually have here is 0.2 into 10 is 2, 1 into 10 is 10. I am going to divide this by 2, that is 1, divide this by 2, that will be 5. So my fraction, which is equivalent to 0.2, will be 1 over 5. So in the same way, let's try to do this, 7.65. Now I am going to be quick. You know you need to remove your decimal places, but here we have how many places? 2, which means I have to multiply it by 100, yes. So let's multiply it by 100. And you know your denominator is 1 always, which means it should be multiplied by 100. So what we actually have here is 765 over 100, right? Right. So that is your fraction. So in the same way, I can do 7.5. And now you know the procedure. 75 over 10, 15 over 2. But I want to tell you one more thing. These are special type of decimal numbers where it ends at 0.5. What does it mean by 0.5? 0.5 means half, isn't it? Since it is end at 0.5, you know if you multiply 7.5 by 2, it should be a whole number. So that is what I am going to do. 7.5 times 2, 15. So divide by 2. That will be your decimal number. Convert this one into a fraction. And let me know the answer.